Well, thank you for that question. A virtual machine, to the level of my understanding, can be described as a software based computer that runs on a physical hardware through virtualization. Also, a VM acts like a real computer but shares resources with other VMs. Also, the most important part of a virtual machine is the hypervisor. The hypervisor manages and distributes physical resources such as the CPU, memory, and storage and networking with other VMs. Also, a virtual machine has got a virtual CPU that allows it to process tasks and a virtual memory which provides RAM for performance. Also, it uses a virtual storage, typically a virtual hard disk file. The reason for this is to store the operating system and data. Additionally, the virtual machine has got a network interface that allows it to connect to other networks. Also, inside the virtual machine runs the guest operating system such as Windows or Linux as the case may be. Together, all these components put up makes the virtual machine to run on its own independently like a real machine. Now, bringing this to the business world, virtualization helps to reduce costs and improve efficiency for the business minded people. For this is that now companies can now comfortably run multiple virtual machines on one physical machine because it now reduces hardware expenses and energy consumption. So it also improves disaster recovery because virtual machines can now be backed up and restored quickly without affecting the business enterprise or the business environment. So now businesses can now use visualization for testing environment without affecting life system. Maybe for example they've got a new software or a new app, so to say, that they want to test. They can do it comfortably from their virtual machine without this process affecting the life system of the business as it's going. Maybe the customers are using the app or the software they develop, and while the customers are using it, they themselves, developers of this software or this program, they can test it on their virtual machine without it affecting the real-time users of this program, so to speak. So another thing again is scalability. To me, the scalability, as the company grows or maybe the company is downsizing, it's no longer big enough and is now losing customers, virtualization can be used to scale down to fit in the existing customers. Or for example, the company now blews up from active customers from before 200, now it scales up to 800. Virtualization can be used to scale up to accommodate more customers. So the overall idea of virtualization is that it increases flexibility, it increases security and reliability while lowering operational costs. So this is what virtualization means to me? Thank you again for that question.